In a world filled with chaos, floral art serves as a gentle reminder of tranquility. The simple act of touching flower stems evokes a sense of calmness, grounding you in the moment. Each vibrant color draws your gaze, igniting joy and inspiring creativity. The natural scents waft through the air, creating a soothing environment that allows tension to melt away, offering a respite from daily worries. When you immerse yourself in the process of arranging flowers, each petal becomes a connection to the present. The focus it requires helps to clear your mind, transforming scattered thoughts into organized beauty. Trimming branches mimics the process of sorting through your mind, making space for clarity and peace. Nature imparts wisdom with every flower, teaching us to embrace life's flow and to accept both blossoms and wilting leaves as part of existence. As spaces emerge in your arrangement, the mind feels lighter, for it is in balance that beauty flourishes. A small vase, often overlooked, can embody deep wisdom. It holds the potential for serenity. Each withered bloom tells its own story, reflecting the beauty found in imperfection. In this expressive art form, your floral creations mirror your emotions, revealing a canvas of your current mood. Through the mere act of creating with your hands, stress dissipates, replaced by tranquility. Flower arranging, particularly in the style of ikebana, transcends mere crafting. It becomes a form of psychotherapy. Regular engagement with this practice proves beneficial for mental health, easing anxiety and fostering emotional recovery. Group arrangements cultivate social connections and community, providing a shared sense of healing as you collectively nurture life's beauty. The blooms that flourish and those that fade teach us invaluable lessons about existence and acceptance, further deepening our appreciation for the present moment. Understanding the limitations within your floral materials helps nurture life's fragile nature. Each arrangement transforms into a quiet sanctuary for the heart and mind, a space where inner chaos finds resolution. Conversing with blooms as you create allows for introspection, illuminating deeper truths about oneself. In the world of floral artistry, the act of crafting beauty also nourishes your soul, awakening the five senses and restoring harmony to an often overstimulated life. Through simple actions, you can reclaim your inner peace amidst modern stresses. Within the confines of a small floral arrangement, find refuge and reconnect with your peaceful self. Floral art becomes not just an activity, but a healing journey, one that invites you to breathe deeply and embrace the calming presence of nature.